Vision Mercedes Simplex is inspired by the past to differ from the rest of the future concepts. The roadster is intended to recall the appearance of the first cars, a reincarnation of the car of the 20th century. Just to be exact, I'm talking about the Mercedes 35 PS, which Wilhelm Maybach and Paul Daimler built in Stuttgart in 1901. The design symbolically combines the past and the future of the brand. It has lines similar to the rear car, open wheels, an aesthetic interior, and the driver's landing typical of the then Fireballs. Vision Mercedes Simplex is driven by an installation that runs on alternative energy sources, and the radiator grille has given way to a three-dimensional screen with a rose gold border.